Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make nail polish remover at home. And so if you are new to this channel, I suggest you subscribe so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Nail polish remover is a solvent used to remove nail polish. If you are a nail polish freak who always change your nail polish colors, or you are a beautician who works daily on ladies' nails, this is a formulation you will love, as it is going to save you money, as this formulation will enable you make your own polish remover at home easily. But before you go into the preparation proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Do not make this preparation near naked flames or fire. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Nail polish remover can be made from the following materials. These are acetone, glycerin and perfume. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 100 ml of nail polish remover. Acetone 100 ml, glycerin 10 ml and perfume 5 ml. Now these are the materials. This is acetone, this is glycerin and this is perfume. Now pour the acetone into a container and add the glycerin to it. Stir the solution properly. Now add your perfume to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your nail polish remover is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.